What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I have Yusuf giving my helping hand over here that you're not even switching the camera over to for real. What's going on, Yusuf? As you guys can see, my 330i is out here. She's washed, she's taken care of, but we're gonna take the interior out of the 330i because it's got the beautiful brown interior. We're gonna slap that in the 330i. Basically, I'm trying to make this car, you know, engine and everything, the whole body kit, the whole interior, trying to make it all look great. So once we put the wrap on it, it should be like the finishing touch, and then we're just gonna get some wheels on this bad boy. But yeah, this video, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and start putting the interior in.
Easy, but still I'm right here, screaming I'm good, I'm good, yeah, my nigga, I'm good, I'm good, yeah.
Coming up to me like you still making music, man. Ask them kind of questions, shouldn't even shake your hand. Thought you were the homie, still don't know me, it's so evident. 2 million fucking views and growing, follow my accomplishments. I mean, cause I do work my ass off. Back up in the game like my vocals got their cast off. All I've been is cast off by those who seem to lack heart. Trying to give the world some hope, so to the dark I'll cast art. Hope it lights the way, right until yesterday. Life's been dark and y'all can see I've had a lot to say. Few friends have been supportive, you can tell by how I word it. So being around that energy, I feel I can't afford it. Talking about I need direction, some will where is yours? I've had mine and it's the only thing that I've been working toward. And I built it from the floor, y'all don't seem to help no more. CSR the movement, cause the internet's what opened doors.
Hero, so don't act like it, and please don't treat me like I'm your sidekick. Cause I watch TV, I see how life is, and it's not easy, but still I'm right here, screaming I'm good, I'm good, yeah, my nigga, I'm good, I'm good, yeah.
What I mean to say is y'all ain't been about the dream. Even back in high school, y'all weren't really about the team. To those who were, you know I know, and your support means everything. About to prove, come from anywhere and become anything. That you can take whatever you love and make it everything. But what part is bigger than us? We made it everything. You know it's because I wear my word like a wedding ring. Sticking to my creed, put honesty above everything. Cause I ain't been perfect, but at least I got a purpose. Rising stars in my contact list with hippies and we murk shit. Conversations with the greatest, can't wait to say I made it. Shouts to those who say I helped them get through.
Alright, guys, so I just want to show you guys the interior right before I conclude the video. So inside we got the brown interior in the 335. So we got the blue push start, not the red one. Looks really clean. I got also the aluminum. I got the steering wheel in here too. So interior is all together. Need to fix the CCC. Trying to reach out to BMW Fanatic, trying to work out a deal on that. But yeah, so far the interior is all together. And in the rear here, guys, we have also got a little bit of drinks left. We'll just throw that on there for anyone else that wants to sit in the rear. But yeah, brown interior is all together. Again, this is an interior I love. I did forget to bring the little clips from the other cars, so these shades don't go up just yet. But yeah, interior looking super clean. All right, guys, now going to the E90. Looks beautiful from the outside. The interior, it's all right. I mean, we got black interior, OEM BMW floor mats, red push start, white trim. Yeah, it's a little bit dirty. And we got the DCT shifters. I don't know, whatever they're called. But yeah, interior is not bad. I mean, it's a black interior. I'm not the biggest fan, but the interior is now in here. Obviously, also BMW, they left these stains on my car when they did the airbag. I don't know what they did, but shout out to BMW for that. Anyways, and then the rear, yeah, just black. I forgot to actually wrap this trim right here. I'll do that eventually. But yeah, black interior in here. So yeah, let's roll out to the outro. Welcome back, guys. This video is effectively over. Look at me watching the Stradman so much, guys. Just God bless. God bless. I love the weather right now. Sprinklers just hazing. It's been a long week, boys. I'm sorry for the late uploads. Let's just say I've been losing a little bit of motivation with this car, and my uploads have not been as strong, but don't worry, we are back and it's gonna be stronger. It's just, you guys know, when I couldn't figure out the issue and no shop could figure out my issue, I was starting to freak out. So the guy that helped me fix this, I'm gonna hook him up with something, I'll figure it out. But yeah, he's a subscriber, he's one of you guys, so shout out to him. But yeah, the interior, guys, is looking great. Hopefully we can get a few beauty shots, you know, down the road for y'all when the car is completely done. I wanna have like a kind of like a, I wanna like wrap half the car and show it to you guys, and the other half, like before I finish the whole car, I wanna kinda like, how do I say it? Kinda like surprise you guys know, so like have like a release and have like, you know, wheels on. I just want to kind of do something crazy like that, like the bigger YouTubers, even though my budget range is not like that. But hey, you do what you can do, and you know, we'll work with what we have. I know you guys understand where I'm coming from as a college student, so you guys should be able to understand how don't hold up my car review as high as others. Anyway, instead of rambling on so much, Adu, I know it's kind of random, but Adu is a longtime partner of this channel, and they sent out another product, and I'm gonna be taking this with me because I'm going down to San Francisco tomorrow. It's about a 2-hour drive, and if any of my wheels go flat, any of them pop, any of them I need a tire, I'm just gonna go ahead and pump it up real quick. It tells me the PSI, it tells me everything. I'll throw it back in the trunk, drive to the nearest, you know, tire shop, and I'm good to go if I need a new tire. At least it'll get me rolling, it'll get me where I need to be, or even just if I'm, you know, low on air, it will pump it up with air. It's awesome. It has its own battery, so it's completely portable. And at the same time, there's a plug. You can plug into this directly into your car if this battery dies, and you can just use your car's power to pump up the tire. Very practical. I love it. Adu's always been supporting the channel, so I'm just gonna shout them out in the end of this video. Without further ado, guys, I am looking into some wrap. I'm broke, but I'm looking for it. So I'm looking at all these different kinds of colors. I'm kind of like leaning toward kind of a blue look. I don't know. You guys hit me up. The whole pink thing, I'm really hoping y'all were joking, because I'm sorry, I can't do it. I can't do pink. I can't do it. Like, I won't be able to do it at all. So you guys let me know if pink is really something you guys want to do. If not, we'll just go ahead, something blue or a color that you guys decide to go with. Just let me know. I'm not really too sure.